Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to open the lid of a spray paint can. This will be a super easy method, so let's get right into the video. If you take a look at the lid of the spray paint can that I have right here, and you try and pull it off, you're probably not going to be able to pull it off or open it up unless you know exactly how it's done, okay? So I'm just kind of trying to pull right here and it's just not working. If you look at the lid of the spray paint can or the cap of the spray paint can, you're probably going to find some markings or some indents. Now on this can right here, you can see there's an indent right here and also an indent right here on opposite sides of the cap, okay? There's also a little bit of a visual instruction right here, but not all cans are gonna have that instruction. So you might wanna watch this video to know how to do it if you don't have that visual diagram, okay? All that you need to do is take two fingers and pinch on those indented spots. And as you pinch on them, you're gonna give them a good pinch and pull the cap away from the spray paint can, just like this. Pinch on them and pull the cap away. And it doesn't even take much force. Once again, okay, the lid is on, I can pull in every way. It's probably not gonna come off without force, okay? It's not coming off, and I'm really pulling quite hard. But if I pinch those indents right there, okay? If I pinch those indents, it just takes a little bit of force to get it off. And that's basically it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.